Dr. Norton back again, and today I have Miss Olvera here with me, and she's going to tell you a little bit about her progress through her care through Tri-County Clinic. So go ahead and start off and tell us about what brought you in here.
Well, it all started, I've had back issues on and off. I've tried injections before. It's kind of just like a bandaid. It never really got rid of all of it. I moved the wrong way one day, and then I couldn't even stand up straight. And I teach first grade, so I needed to be able to move. A friend referred me, and I came in.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And you even started noticing some results pretty quickly. Which is wonderful. How are you doing now compared to where you began?
Complete turnaround.
Mm-hmm.
I'm able to move. I don't have the pain. My main goal was I wasn't able to go work out. I had been trying to be good and go work out, and with the back issue, that was not an option. I've started back with the CrossFit and have been able to work out pain-free. It's been wonderful.
Wonderful. That is really great news. I remember that was day one. You're like, I just want to work out again. I said, well, we'll get you there. And we did. So good. So what are your hopes moving forward? You've gotten to the point where now you're just maintaining your spine. What are your hopes just by maintaining your spine?
My hopes are that it stays. I do want to continue to be active, so I'm hoping just by the maintaining that things go the way they're going now, and hopefully it's a good road.
Good. Well, I think it's been that way so far, and I'm hopeful for your future here.
Thank you.
Well, thank you for telling your story, and you heard it first from Miss Olvera.